Now see, find second question, find first one in second bit, first one, 30th term of AP where 10, 7, 4 so on is given. So this is first three, these are the first three terms of this arithmetic progression, and in this progression we have to find 30th term. Okay, it is very easy, and you know nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that you substitute a value, d value, and n is equal to 30, you will get the answer. And similarly in this second question, 11th term of AP. So these are the first three terms of this arithmetic progression. In this we have to find 11th term. It is also very easy. So nth term formula. And the third bit is find the respective terms of the following. So here first term 2 is given, third term 26 is given, and find A2, that is second term. Okay, this is also very easy. Okay, and as we discussed the example problems, by using example problems you can do these problems, and these are very easy. And come to fourth question, which term of AP, what is the AP? 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78. So we have to find which term of this AP is 78. This is also very easy. So from this given four consecutive terms of this arithmetic progression, we can find first term common difference. Okay, and this is, let it be last term or nth term, and by using nth term formula, nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that formula you substitute a value, d value, and you will get n value. So nth term that you will get. And the fifth one, find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progressions. Find the number of terms. So here first three terms are given and last term also given. So from this you can find first term A and common difference D, and last term or nth term is also given. So nth term is equal to, you know that nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that formula you substitute a value, d value, and n last value. You will get number of terms in this series. Similarly this also. And sixth question, check whether minus 150 is a term of arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2 dash 1. So it is also very easy. Let nth term is 150, and substitute the given values a and d. Okay, and nth term this, and you go on. If you get n is a positive integer, then this term exists in this series. If n value is not a positive integer, then this value is not term of this arithmetic progression. Okay, so in that way you can find. So question number 7, find the 31st term of arithmetic progression where 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Find the 31st term of arithmetic progression where 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So here 11th term is what is 11th term? 11th term can be written as a plus 10d, a plus 10d. So according to this 11th term is 38. So 11th term is 38. So this equation is 1. And 16th term is 73. 16th term So 16th term a plus 15d we can write. So that is 73. So this is equation 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 1 implies a plus 15d is equal to 73, a plus 10d is equal to 38. Now subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So change the sign. Now plus a minus a gets cancelled, and plus 15d minus 10d is equal to 5d. Now 73 minus 38, how much it is? Okay, so this is 35. So 5d is equal to 35. Therefore d is equal to 35 by 5 is equal to 7. The common difference is 7. Now substituting d is equal to 7 in equation 1. So a plus 10d is equal to 38. So a plus 10 into d, so that is d is 7. Now a plus 70 is equal to 38. Now transpose this 70 to that side. A is equal to 38 minus 70. So which is equal to 2. So minus 32. The first term is minus 32 and common difference is 7. So now 31st term of arithmetic progression is, so a plus 31 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a is equal to minus 32 plus, and this is 30 and d is 7. So minus 32 plus this is 210, which is equal to 178. So this is the 31st term. Okay. Question number 8. If third term and ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, then which term of AP is 0? Once again read this question. If third and ninth term of arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8 respectively, then which term of arithmetic progression is 0? So here third term of arithmetic progression is, we can write as third term a plus 2d is equal to 4. So let it be equation 1. And ninth term of AP is, ninth term we can write as a plus 8d, that is ninth term is minus 8. So this is equation 2. Now equation 2 minus equation 1 implies a plus 8d is equal to minus 8 and a plus 2d is equal to 4. Now subtract this first equation from second one. So okay, change the sign. Now minus plus a minus a cancel. 8d minus 2d is equal to 6d, and this is minus 8 and minus 4 minus 12. So from this d is equal to minus 12 by 6 is equal to minus 2. Substituting d is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus 2d is equal to 4. Now substitute d value minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. Now a plus, this is 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Now transpose this minus 4 to that side. A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So the common difference is minus 2 and first term a is equal to 8. Okay, let nth term is 0. So here we asked to find which term of the arithmetic progression is 0. So let nth term is 0. Nth term is 0. Then a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Now what is a? 8. And what is d? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 8 plus, so minus 2 into n, minus 2n, and minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Now sum of these 8 and 2 is 10. 10 plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Now transpose this 10 to that side. Minus 2n is equal to minus 10, and n is equal to minus 10 by minus 2 is equal to 5. So therefore fifth term of the above given AP is 0. So fifth term is 0. Question number 9. Question number 9. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term of AP by 7. Find the common difference. So try to find. So 17th term of AP we can write as a plus 17 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 16d. And 10th term of AP is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d, which is a plus 9d. Now according to the problem given that 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term AP by 7. Okay, according to problem, seventeenth term of AP exceeds 10th term of AP by 7. So 17th term minus 10th term is equal to 7. So 17th term, what is? A plus 16d minus, and this is 10th term is a plus 9d is equal to 7. Now open the bracket. A plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equal to 7. Now plus a minus a gets cancelled, and 16d minus 9d, which is equal to 7d is equal to 7. Now d is equal to 7 by 7 is equal to 1. So the common difference is d is equal to 1. This is the answer. So question number 10. Two APs, two arithmetic progressions have same common difference, and the difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Two arithmetic progressions have same common difference. The common difference of these two arithmetic progression is same, that is given, and the difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between 1000 terms? Okay, this is very easy. Answer is very easy. Let first arithmetic progression is a1, a2, a3 is equal to, okay, a, this is the first term, a plus d, second term, a plus 2d, this is third term, like that. And second arithmetic progression is, let denote it by capital a1 and a2 and a3, like that. And these are capital A, and the second one is capital A plus d. So this is small d because have same common difference. So this is common difference, d is same as this is the common difference. So but okay, and the third term is a plus 2d, so on. Now the difference of 100th terms is same, given that difference of 100th terms is 100. Okay, now 100th terms of okay, so here 100th term of first AP minus 100th term of second AP is equal to 100, that is given. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. So 100th terms of first AP minus 100th terms of second AP is 100. Now 100th terms of first AP is a plus 100th term is 99d, we can write, and 100th terms of second AP, so capital A plus 99d, which is equal to 100. Now open the bracket, a minus a plus 99d minus a minus 99d is equal to 100. Now this is plus 99d, this is minus 99d, so small a minus capital A is equal to 100. So this is 1, let it be 1. Now the difference of their 1000 terms, difference of 1000th terms is equal to 1000th term of first AP minus 1000th term of second AP, which is equal to 1000th term from first AP is a plus 999d, this is first term, minus second term, this is capital A plus 999 small d. Now a plus 999d minus capital A minus 999d. Now plus 999d minus 999d cancel, which is equal to a minus capital A. So what is a minus capital A from 1 is equal to 100, is equal to 100. So from equation 1. Okay, so the difference of 100th term is also 100.